How does a seagull take its first flight? Seagulls, like many other bird species, begin their flying practice through a process called fledging. Fledging is the stage when young birds develop their flight muscles and practice flying before they leave the nest. Typically, seagull chicks leave their nests around 40 days after hatching. Before taking their first flight, they start to flap their wings and hop around on the ground. This exercise helps to strengthen their wings and muscles and develop their coordination. Once the chicks are ready, they take their first flight, usually from a low height, such as a nearby rock or a small cliff. During their initial flights, they are still learning to control their movements and land safely. As they continue to practice and gain experience, seagulls become more confident and skilled flyers, and are able to fly longer distances and higher altitudes. Seagull and hawk hunting. Seagulls and hawks have different hunting techniques due to their different diets and habitats. Seagulls are primarily scavengers and opportunistic feeders, which means they will often search for food near the water's surface or on beaches. They may also steal food from other birds, such as smaller gulls or terns. Seagulls have a keen eye for spotting food, and they use their strong wings to fly low over the water or land to catch their prey. They may also dive into the water to catch fish or other small marine animals. Hawks, on the other hand, are birds of prey that hunt live prey, such as rodents, birds, and insects. They are skilled hunters and use their sharp talons and beaks to capture their prey. Hawks typically hunt from a perch, such as a tree or power line, and will swoop down to catch their prey with great speed and precision. While hawks may occasionally target seagulls as prey, seagulls are generally too large and agile for hawks to capture. Seagulls may also harass hawks that enter their territory, chasing them away with their sharp beaks and wings. Overall, seagulls and hawks have different hunting strategies and tend to avoid direct conflict with one another. What kind of bird is a seagull? Seagull is not actually a specific species of bird, but rather a common name that is used to describe a variety of gull species that are found near the sea or other bodies of water. Gulls belong to the family Laridae, which includes more than 50 different species of gulls, terns, and skimmers. Some of the most common gull species that are often referred to as seagulls include the herring gull, ring-billed gull, California gull, and black-headed gull. Most gulls have a similar appearance, with white or gray feathers, a distinctive beak, and webbed feet. They are also known for their loud calls and their ability to fly gracefully over the water. Gulls are opportunistic feeders and will eat a variety of foods, including fish, insects, and small animals, as well as scavenging for scraps and garbage in coastal areas. Overall, while there is no specific bird species called a seagull, the term is commonly used to refer to a variety of gull species that are found near the sea. Seagull is found in which country? Seagulls are found in many countries around the world, particularly in coastal regions or near bodies of water. Some of the most common gull species that are often referred to as seagulls include the herring gull, ring-billed gull, California gull, and black-headed gull. These gull species can be found in many different countries, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and many other coastal regions throughout the world. Gulls are migratory birds and may travel long distances in search of food or breeding grounds. For example, herring gulls have been known to travel from North America to Europe during the winter months, while black-headed gulls can be found in Asia and Africa during their non-breeding season. Overall, seagulls are found in many different countries around the world, and their range can vary depending on the species and their migratory patterns.